Welcome to explore the remarkable world of Anok. In this video, we will take you on a journey through our company, exceptional products and services. We specialize in the manufacture of precision components in any material from steel to plastic. Our machining experience enables us to successfully provide a variety of perfect components to customers in various industries in many countries. During the past 10 years, Anok and his team have the experience and capability for your most complex CNC projects from design to production. Because we know that your parts have to be perfect. We have a full-spectrum CNC machine shop. Our CNC services include CNC milling, 4-axis machining, and 5-axis machining. We can also serve your CNC turning, surface grinding, welding, and high-precision assembly services. We can achieve tolerances as tight as plus or minus 0.002 millimeter, depending on the material and complexity of the part. Our advanced CNC machinery, including multi-axis machines and precision grinders, allows us to maintain these tight tolerances consistently. Additionally, our skilled technicians are trained to handle intricate and detailed work, ensuring that each part meets the specified requirements. We also employ rigorous quality control measures, including in-process inspections and final inspections using advanced measurement tools like CMM, coordinate measuring machines, and laser scanners to verify that all parts adhere to the required tolerances. As we come to the end of this video, we hope you have gained a deeper understanding of Anok. We are passionate about what we do and are committed to continuing to make a positive impact in our industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We look forward to serving you and collaborating with you in the future. And let us know what we can do for you.